I come home from Sunday school with my daughters. I feel fortunate. But then when I looked up news around the world, I saw some distressing news. In Australia, at Bondi Beach, Sydney Bondi Beach, there was a act of terrorism unleashed two gunmen. Now the news are reporting that it was a father and a son shoot who went on a shooting spree and killed at least, as of now, 15, 16 people and wounded many. Among the dead were a 10-year-old girl. So it was such a distressing news. So the attack was targeted against the Jewish community as they have started celebrating what is known as Hanukkah on Sunday. However, at this heinous act, there were some act of heroism. A food vendor who just jumped on one of the gunmen and disarmed him. So you can look at some of the scenes here. The shooting has been going on for about 10, 15 minutes. And then finally, both the gunmen who were targeting the Jewish communities were subdued. The father, the elder, was killed on the spot, and then the other son, who were in critical conditions, and it seems to be in hospital now. So it was at a very historic and famous beach. It's winter here in North America, but over there it seems like a summer, very warm weather, and everyone is at beach, and you can see how they were terrified, people running around. So it is unthinkable, and as the Australian Prime Minister said, it was an act of evil, act of terrorism. So hope everyone is praying for the people who were killed and traumatized. Hope the world, the peace will prevail. Thank you for watching.